Welcome to my channel Wild Soul Cooking. Today we'll prepare a very delicious toast recipe for you. Peel 2 heads of garlic, olive oil, cover with foil, bake for 25 minutes. Write in the comments from which city are you watching us. The garlic is ready, put in a blender. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell so you don't miss my next video recipes. Great to see your support. 80 grams of butter, a little parsley, salt. 1 slice of bread, a little mozzarella cheese. If you are subscribed to my channel, press the bell. You will receive a new video notification. Hope to see you in the next recipe. Stay healthy and happy. And sprinkle your favorite heart of cheese on top. 2 more slices of bread. If you are subscribed to my channel, you will be very happy. For beauty, sprinkle greens on top.